well, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this cute little bundle that I got. So what this is, it is the Charm for You, and it is the reflective glitter. So I'm so excited. So what I'm going to do, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch them. So this is going to be really exciting for me because I've always wanted some of the reflective polishes. All right, let's see here what I can get. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Put that other one aside. All right. Oh, I'm just so excited about this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them do a couple at a time. Since there's 12, I'll just do 6 and 6. So there we go. All right. So let's see. I'm not going to prep or anything. Well, maybe I should, because maybe if I just want to keep everything on. Give me 1 second. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the base and the top coat from Beetles gel polish. So first I'm just going to do I'm going to buff them to prep them and then do the base coat, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I have them all lined up. I don't have them actually in the shot. Okay, so here they are. Now, I am missing a 6, and there's a few other numbers that I'm missing, but I'm guessing that was on purpose. So anyway, so this is from the Charm for You. Soak off gel polish UV and LED. So basically, if it's UV, you cure it for 2 minutes, and if it's LED, you cure it between 30 seconds to 60 seconds. I would prefer to do it the 60 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them up here. And now I'm going to, first you want to kind of roll it just to kind of get everything all bubbled out. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, that's actually really pretty. Like really pretty. Ooh, I like that. Okay, let's see how this turns out. Like I said, this is supposed to be the reflective gel polish. So I'm really excited to see this. And I'm pretty sure, I'm thinking I'm going to have to do quite a few. Well, I'm going to do 2 coats just to see. All right, this is number 2. This one looks like it's gold. The other one was silver. So this one looks, or actually no, it looks like it's orange. Ooh, that looks really pretty. Okay, all right. Oh yeah, that's a nice orange, like a rustic orange. This would be so pretty for fall, like Thanksgiving nail art and everything. Oh, this would be so perfect. Oh, I'm already excited. Okay. All right, let me see here. So the third one, I'm just going to bring that here. So this one looks like it's pink. All right, let's see. I'm so excited. All right. Oh, that is such a pretty rose color. Oh, I like that. Okay, let's put this on. Yeah, this is really pretty too. I like this one. This would be really pretty for like Easter nails. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, and the next one, this one looks like it is kind of like a rose gold. Let's see if I'm right. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I was so wrong. It is a purple. It's like a grayish purple that is, it's pretty, but definitely the top of the, like the top thing here, it's definitely not, definitely not what I was thinking. Or what came out of it, I was definitely not thinking. Interesting. All right, all right. Okay, so this one is the gold one. Let's see if it actually comes out gold. Now I'm very intrigued. Very intrigued. Yep, yeah. It's gold. All right, let's see here. So far, I mean, it's not too overpowering. Like it's definitely not a one coater. So I mean, it's definitely, we'll have to see how many coats we have to do. We shall definitely see. All right, this one looks to be red. I don't know. It looks to be like a red pink. All right, let's see here. Yeah, it's a red. This would have been really pretty for Christmas. Definitely really pretty for Christmas. But Christmas is now past. We are basically now 2023. I'm going to cure those up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, now I'm going to go into the second coat. So I think the second coat here, it definitely does show a little bit more. But we'll definitely have to see. I think some of them will get better out of the second coat, and some may have to be 3 coats. But like I said, we'll definitely see how that goes. Some of it's a little bit thicker. But I guess that's okay. Maybe that's what it's supposed to be like. I know some people might just use these as the accent nail. Some people might only use this for nail art where only certain parts are colored. But I definitely think number 3 is thicker than all the rest of them. That's for sure. I think that was like the only thickest one so far. No, like I said, this is supposed to they're supposed to be reflective. So once I finish this here, we'll see how this goes. All right, so now there's this one here. Okay, so this one here is also kind of thick, just like number 4. This one's number 7, which is the red, which is actually really pretty. It really is. Very, very, very pretty. All right, so I'm just going to cure that and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So for these ones here, I don't know, like, I'd have to see. Okay, you know what? Don't mind me. I'm going to try one more coat for the silver one here. I just want to see. I don't know. Maybe if it's like thicker, maybe it works really well. I don't know. And then I will have to try something to where it looks like it should be reflective, but I'm definitely going to put the top coat on before I do anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the first one to cure, and then I'm going to put the top coat on, and then we're going to see how it turns out. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to line up the other 6, and at the very end, that is when I'm going to try and do the reflective for them. So there's 8, 9, 11, 14, 15, and 16. So let's see what these colors bring out to us. Okay, so this one here kind of looks like a mixture of like a gold and like a rose. Interesting. It's like a brown. Which would also be a good one for autumn, right? Could do some really nice designs with the autumn ones. Make like your pumpkins reflective, turkeys reflective, all that great stuff. This one looks, oh, this one looks black. That'd be really cool. Let's see. Oh my God, it's so thick. It's kind of black, yeah. Oh, that'd be so cool for Halloween. It's like a dark gray black. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, I like this one. Yeah, right up my alley. That one's cool. All right, let me see. I'm just gonna put the other ones off to the side here, because once I'm done doing these ones here, I'm just gonna put them over into the light over here. Yeah, I know, I just touched the one. That's okay, because you know what? This is just nail art. It's not, you know, not perfect. It is what it is. This one looks like it could be an autumn one too, because it looks like we've got blue, green, and like a dark green. Let's see what this one here is. This one looks red too, actually. It's a darker red, I believe, than the other one. I'm hoping, oh gosh, I'm hoping they didn't do like the same colors. That would just be really weird. Like really weird. Because that kind of looks like my 7. All right, let's see what 14. Let's see the nice blue color on this. Oh, this would be really good for like winter, Christmas kind of thing. Definitely winter. That one's pretty. I think that's one of my favorites. Like that one. All right, let's see these 2 green ones. So here's the light green. Okay, not too shabby. Hold on, I do have some hair. There we go. I think these would be best for nail art, to be honest, because they're only 10 mil bottles. And if somebody wants to have a full set of reflective, I mean, either you're going to have to pay or charge quite a bit, like, you know, to sell them if you're doing like, you know, either press on nails, or if you're like an esthetician or nail tech or something. Like with that, you're gonna have to charge quite a bit if they want all this, because that's the all the bottles that I looked at, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, if anybody knows if you can get 15 ml reflective bottles, but so far the only ones I've seen that come in a different array of colors is only 10 ml, and that's not a lot really. So, I mean, so far, these are really good colors, but definitely I would recommend these more for nail art. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish getting these here all cured. I'm going to do the second coat. I'm going to do the top coat, and then I will be back to see how they go, like how they look in the flashlight kind of look. All right. All right, guys. So here is the final product. So it says, so there's it's not really natural light, but yeah, so it's like the glitter. And then let me see if I can turn on flashlight. Hold on here. That was weird. Okay, 2 seconds. Hold on. I did it, and oh my god, they look freaking amazing. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, I highly recommend. I will leave the Amazon link that I got these from down below. This is, oh wow. Yeah, definitely flashlight. This is wow. I really like these. This one here is not so sparkly though. I mean, it is, but it's, well, actually, okay, now that I see it in the screen, yeah, it is. Okay, never mind. It looks like they all are from my phone screen here. So you got like this silver, and then so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and then it goes 8. What is it? 8, 9, 11, 14, 15, 16. So yeah. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my god, guys, I like love that. Okay, let me put this back on. There we go. All right. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more kind of product reviews, nail designs, nail stamping, all the great stuff, nail art, if you want, definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell just to let you know when I post new videos. And definitely share my channel with like all those, you know, nail artists out there and everything, because you never know, someone could teach me a couple of things. That would be awesome. So anyway, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye.